From designer Mickey ears to jewelry that's from a galaxy far, far away, these merch collabs are here for all of you Disney stans.
Let's check out some of these mouse-approved designs, starting off with these super chic, bedazzled Mickey ears.
Oh, we love a good crystallized Mickey ear here.
I am so excited that someone finally thought to do this, because girls have been bedazzling their own Mickey ears for God knows how long. I've seen people rocking custom creations. Designers are doing
Put away the hot glue gun. You don't need it anymore. Heidi Klum here is giving us all of our bedazzled Mickey ear dreams.
She actually captioned this photo on Instagram when she posted it. Quote, bedazzling the most famous ears in the world is like a dream come true for me. I am still pinching myself. So excited for these. These are coming out in a limited release and they won't be available until September 28th. But if you're going to go to Disney around the holidays,
you got to do it big. You got to do it big with some bedazzled Mickey ears. I love it.
Another amazing designer who's jumping on this Disney train is Wang. She's done collaborations with brands all throughout her career, so this is a really fun one. This is the first prototype of a design that's coming, but they will also feature a bridal-inspired design with hand-sewn crystals, and this won't be coming until spring 2020. So for Disney-loving brides...
I was going to say, all of the ladies who have their bachelorette party
so smart.
At Disney.
So smart. I mean, Wang has cornered the market on almost everything bridal, and she found another hole there to fill.
Well, that will probably be yellow by the time I get engaged. So I'll probably stick to the bedazzled one for now. But also, Coach, you guys, is collaborating with Disney, and they have their own version of Mickey ears. This is very Coach. I grew up with all of my Coach. I had makeup, cosmetic cases, I had bags, I had wallets, I had shoes, the whole shebang. Now I can finally top my wardrobe literally at the top with Mickey ears. And they're Coach.
Genuine leather, and they feature these laser cut little floral designs. I love this. It's so on brand for them. Super chic. These are amazing.
So on brand for Selena Gomez, former
Disney
star.
Oh my gosh!
Coach, Coach
Worlds Colliding
ambassador. Yeah.
These are coming to you fall 2019, so not too far away. And then last but not least, jewelry designer Alex and Ani is coming out with these. These might be my favorite, you guys. I think these are our favorite. These are limited release collaborations. It's a gold headband, and it's just like jewelry that you can wear on your head. It's like the most epic headband ever.
I was going to say, they're like one step above regular Mickey ears, but not as extra as the bedazzled ears. So somewhere in between, still fashionable, but keeping that.
Technically, these are mini ears because they have a bow. Throwing that out there. These are mini ears. These are the ones I would buy. These dropped July 5th. So let's hurry up and get these.
I know.
So we can go to Disney.
Because they are currently back ordered.
Oh, darn it. Everybody had the same idea as we did.
I know.
$178. These, if they're back ordered, they're going to keep making these things because everyone is going to be very, very excited to get their hands on them.
Someone else who's going to be excited to get their hands on this next collection is all the Star Wars fans out there. You guys, Star Wars and Rock Love Jewelry have collaborated to release a collection that's exclusive at San Diego Comic-Con, which is, you guys, right around the corner at the end of this month. And then it's going to be released nationwide on their website, which is pretty cool. So then everybody can have it.
If you're planning a trip to Disney, you got to wear all your merch.
I know, you got to put all
your
of it on.
Merch.
You got to go big. But lucky for us, and thank you to designer Allison Semino, who helped put this collection together, which ranges from $75 to $135. You'll be all set. You'll be all set. You got everything you need, from rings to necklaces to earrings.
So one of the first pieces is this ring. It's the Ahsoka ring, $85. Like, guys, everything is so thoughtfully designed and so cool. So if you're a fan, you will be able to see all the references that we might miss in some of these pieces. But we can tell you that we're excited about it regardless.
We could also tell you that the ring is engraved with Ahsoka Lives, which is on the inside of the band. And to make this even more special, you guys, each item is one of 1,000 limited edition pieces. It comes with an authenticated number engraved in each as well.
And that ring is sterling silver. Like these are jewelry pieces. This is not, we're not playing around here. True fandom. Okay, so next up, the AT-AT necklace. This is $135. It's, again, sterling silver, and the legs are fully articulated, so they move, which is really fun. And this is on a sterling silver pendant, sterling silver chain. It's a little pendant necklace.
We have the Jawa earrings for $75. How cute are these? So these are sculpted in, again, solid sterling silver with orange crystal eyes. They're three-dimensional earrings that hang from nickel-free sterling silver ear wires. How cute.
So cute. Last but not least, the Planetary Medallion, $135. This is a reversible silver coin. It's one of 5 in the Planetary Medallion series. And it has a portrait of the Mandalorian bounty hunter, Boba Fett. And the reverse side has a city structure. It's enamel and sterling silver. This is really cool. I love this. I'd layer these.
This next clothing line, you guys, though, I can't choose. I cannot
could be my
choose
favorite.
between all of these different items, you guys. ASOS and the Lion King.
2 things I love.
Right?
Love ASOS. Like the most fun clothes with the biggest selection. And the Lion King. I'm so excited the Lion King's back. All right, let's get right into it. This is a co-word set. It's a mesh top and skirt with a Zazu print on it. $40 for the top, $40 for the bottom. Super cute. Sheer though, FYI. Sheer top, hence her bralette underneath.
Super sheer. Can't wear that on the show.
Next up, this Hyena shirt. It's oversized, neon. There's so many things going on. This is so fun for all of us who grew up seeing The Lion King, the original.
Yeah.
It's like the nostalgia. It kicks you right in the feels, guys. Nostalgia.
I had a photo shoot with my brother at JCPenney, and it was Lion King setting, and I wore a Lion King shirt. I could probably still fit in it now.
God,
it's like
that's
this kid-sized little shirt. And
I love this.
I should frame that.
Right?
God, I love it.
Nostalgia moment.
Oh, next up, you guys, a sunset 2-piece outfit right here. Love this.
You guys have a
we're going to Hawaii.
Yes.
Yes.
You're going anywhere this summer. This is a super fun vacation set. $56 for the top, $40 for the shorts. I would love this top with jeans too.
Oh, last but not least, where's my favorite? Rafiki. Love this. Oversized Rafiki t-shirt coming in at $35. Gotta love this one.
You guys, lots of fun stuff for you to buy if you're a Disney lover. So let us know which one's your favorite, which one you're a huge fan of, and what you're going to put in your cart.
Can you feel? Just kidding.